Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record calls in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to record calls in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and here very first setting when you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issues. So go to your general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and just go to apps section and then look for phone app here. Select your phone app and here just scroll down and you'll get the audio call recording feature. Just try to enable this from here. So once you have enabled, it will automatically start recording your iPhone calls. Or if you don't want to use iOS built-in feature, you just have to open your app store and just go for search and simply search for call recording or call recorder. So you just have to search for this and you might get a lot of apps from here. So you just have to simply select any app which you want to use. So in this way you can easily record calls in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.